Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike. It is Friday. Happy Friday, the 17th of June. This is our weekly recap. If you want to learn more about me at smartoptiontrading.com, link in the description below. Come on over to Live Trading Alerts, click on for more details. You could try us out, $25 for the first month, and you'll see exactly how we trade and what we do every day in here. Click subscribe on YouTube so you get all my free videos that come out. So first things first, to all the fathers out there, happy Father's Day. It's Father's Day this Friday. Go out there and enjoy it. I'm sorry, this Sunday, go out and enjoy it. Second thing is we have a 3-day weekend. The markets are closed on Monday. So just realize that we'll have the weekend off. So this week was marked by the Fed. And after a vicious couple-day down move last week, Monday and Tuesday, we continued a little lower and chopped around. We rallied on the Fed Powell's commentary on Wednesday, 0.75% basis point hike. It sounds like we're hitting for that again in July, and then we'll see what comes around in September. The market seemed like it liked it and then was expecting that, and that's what they wanted. Then we gapped down big yesterday, and here we are into new 52-week lows, and we hit 362.17 today before we rallied a little bit on the SPY. What you need to be aware of the SPY is here is that we are well off the 8-day still, and we have not had a big rally in a while. And bear markets have big rallies. This was a big rally here in March. We're kind of getting overdue for one. This was a decent one we had here, but it wasn't nearly as long or as good as this one. So it's time to start watching for some type of rally, maybe next week, maybe not. What I do know is a lot of funds don't like to be very short over long weekends in case news comes out. You have a bunch of gaps here. You have a gap at 379.94. We barely touched it, but you have another gap sitting here at 381.81, and then you have a gap up here at 395.95, and this could fuel a big rally all the way up into the 50-day if the market ever decides it wants to go. At the same time, to the downside, 360 is certainly in play, and the 350 area also comes in play. And this is not making up numbers, guys. I've been looking at charts, and you come out and you look at the weekly, I went to a monthly, sorry. We go to the weekly charts and you look at this and you say, yep, I can see the 360 level picks up this candle right here, and this was a big spot. And then the 350 area comes in and right at where the weekly 200-day is, and also picks up this level right into here. So some support that could be come into play there. If you talk about this week, nothing was easy. It's been very, very difficult. The down moves are very hard to trust. A lot of it's coming in the overnight and just not making it easy here to trade at all. Traded judiciously this week, and really what it was about. Different names gave different trades. Microsoft here has showed a little bit of relative strength in this market, so worth keeping an eye on if we rally. Why? Because it did not put a new low in what the market did this week, right? It's holding in better. Here it is up. It did not break below this new low that we did today. So holding in a little better. So is Amazon, showing a little bit of strength, still hasn't broken below this 101 area. Boeing had a very nice week. We talked about it. I didn't take it, but some people in the room did. And he had a nice move up this week and showing some strength. And I still think the 140 area is in play on that one. The financials have just been left for dead. The good news is bonds are starting to see a little bit of bounce. If bonds can go, that could help the markets. What's lost and kind of fallen apart here is energy, and energy just kind of fell apart very quickly. We got down under the 21-day, we lost the 50-day, we've lost the 100-day, and you can see after this very strong move, energy is unwinding here. And what that really says to me, there's not a lot of places to hide here left in this market, and that comes problematic. But that's also how you start to find bottoms. You start to find bottoms when the market has nowhere left to hide and there's just nothing but sellers, and eventually you get that flush. Now, calling a bottom in this market is not something I'm looking to do. And, the market's bottoms will present themselves as they appear. Again, we're in a correction in the market. We're in a downtrend in the market. And I think you just have to be patient and wait for the right days and the right moves. Guys, anything in the room I'm forgetting here? I mean, what else was good? I mean, we traded the ES a lot, especially on Fed Day. Fed Day was huge for me and a lot of other people in the room. Boeing was big for people this week. Apple's been everybody loves Apple. Apple's been a tough trade this week, not acting stronger, weaker than the market. We talked about AMD. The semis in general have been weak. AMD put a new low in here today, not participating. NVIDIA a little stronger, but not participating. And in general, the semis are not participating. And we generally like the market when the semis are strong. That said, at some point, these things will turn and we'll get a rally, and you just have to be patient and wait for it. So for what I'll say to you guys, I'll do charts on Monday on the holiday. Enjoy your weekend. Happy Father's Day to the dads and to everybody in the room. I'll see you on Tuesday morning and have a great, great weekend.